Hello everyone, and today I am going to attempt to solve this network flow problem using augmented paths. So you can see a little bit of whitener here. This used to be like 1 and 2, and this was 10, and this was this was 4, which I am now change to this. These both are the same thing, and now moving on. So we have to calculate the maximum flow. So let's start with our first augmented path. Let's take 0, 2, 4 and 5. 0, 2, 4 and 5. So what is the bottleneck? Bottleneck is the least value for any least capacity for any of these edges. So 13, 14 and 4. So least the bottleneck is 4. So we put the value 4. This is the current flow for each condition. Okay, this is easy. Now moving on to the second path. Let's take so as we can see, this one is complete, so there shouldn't be any more flow going from 4 to 5. So now let's focus more on 3 and 5. So let's see 0, 1, 3 and 5. Nice enough path. 0, 1, 3 and 5. The bottleneck is 12. So 12. So 12 from here, 12 from here, and 12 from here. Okay. Now there is still 8 units left here. So is there any other path? We can go from here 0, 2, 4, 3 and 5. 0, 2, 4, 3 and 5. So what is the bottleneck here? 13 minus 4 is 9, and 14 minus this is 10, this is 7, so and 8. So we have 8 and 7 and 8 and 7 and 10 and 9. So the bottleneck is 7. I will just erase this all. So we have added 7 units of flow. So this becomes, I will just cut it so you remember, this has been changed. This has been changed to 11. Can I write it like this? Normally this 7 should be written first, but it's okay, you understand it. So here this becomes 19, and we still have 1 unit left to go. Any places we can adjust it? This one's full. Nope. So there is no other possible augmented path available, because even if we try this direction, 4 is full, this 19,20 is stopped by this, and this is complete, this is complete. So there cannot be any more inward flow in this third node. There can be only, there is potential outward flow here and here, but the inward flow is full, so nothing else can flow into 3. And for 4 we have the same thing, the outward flows are limited. And for 2 there's just no augment path possible. So what is the total sum here? 11 plus 12 is 23, and for 19 plus 4 is also 23. The maximum flow comes out to be 23. This is one method of solving this question. There are many more, and if you like this, Maybe I can share more methods with you. Thank you.